Hello everyone, this is Xiao Xiang, and today I will talk about my FSE chat room. The structure of the chat room is front-end, back-end, and database. For the front-end, I use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The reason I use these three is because like every front-end developer must use these three to implement the front-end. And JavaScript JavaScript handle the logic of the front end and the communication between between front end and back end. For the back end, I use Node.js, Express.js, and Circuit.io. The reason I use Node.js and Express.js is because these two are written in JavaScript, and using Express.js is very easy to build a server. And as you can see, I build a server only use a couple of lines of code. And for the Circuit.io, the reason I use Circuit.io is also because the Circuit.io is written in JavaScript and is very easy to handle the socket between front end and back end. For the database, I use MongoDB. The reason I use it is because one is because it's very popular, and the two is because it's also written in JavaScript. And as you can see, all the environment I use for this full stack project, I use JavaScript. And let's see the demo. Oh, here is MongoDB, and here's the server. Oh, I already started. And here's the MongoDB database. And the MongoDB is like the server of MongoDB. So I need to start it to use MongoDB. And let me type the localhost and type another one. And I want to use Mark as the username. So now Mark enters the FSE chat room. As you can see, these are all the history messages already stored in the MongoDB database. And here, the system notified Mark joined the chat room. And let me type another user. See, Tom. And for the user Mark, the system notified Tom joined. And Mark see, hello, Tom. And Tom sees the greetings from Mark. And I want to show another feature. So if I enter this chat room with a duplicate username, the system will stop us. If I type Tom to enter the room, the system will tell us the name already exists, and I change it to Tom2 and enter the room. And you can see the tab is changed to the FSE chat Tom2. And for the database, let me see hello to others first. Hello others, and these two can receive the message hello others from Tom2, and the system also told the other user Tom2 joined. And so let's check the database. And you can see the message from Mark, hello Tom, and the message from Tom2, hello others, and here's the time. And when I left the chat room here, the server will show the user disconnect. And every time I enter a message like, oh, Tom left, Tom 2 left, actually, Tom 2 left, the database will, the server will show database update, and you can see yeah, the database is already update. Oh, Tom 2 left. Okay, let's close all the users, and all the users are disconnect. And I think this is pretty much it. Thanks.